Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at GBPJPY for today. But before I go ahead and explain what we should be expecting today, now to those of you that are yet to subscribe, you are yet to subscribe to the Patreon channel, especially those of you that are having trouble growing up your account, those of you that are probably blowing up your account and every other thing, you can now subscribe to the Patreon channel. On that Patreon channel, we put out high probability trade. Remember, it is trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning. Trade that you have higher chances of winning is exactly what we put on that channel, on that Patreon channel. So you can subscribe, right? And we are now offering a 40% discount, which will last for about 2 days, maximum of 3 days. So after this 2 days or 3 days, this offer would be over. So you can now give it a try, right? The link will be in the comment section. So once you go to the comment section, you would see the link to the Patreon channel. Once you subscribe, you will now get access to those high probability trades. And these are a couple of trades we've actually taken, by the way. You can see it. I'll be putting the link to this playlist for this trade we've taken this week so far. You can see on Monday, September 8th, we took a trade on WTI. On Tuesday, also, we took a trade on WTI. So on Wednesday, we are looking to take another trade. So if you're interested, join us. The link will be in the comment section. So let's take a look at this GBPJPY. Let's start with the trend first. We clearly can see that this is an uptrend move, right? Price has been giving us an higher highs and an higher lows. No doubt about that. So we saw we can see something like this. Price has actually gone high, it has gone massively up. So in the long run, we will be expecting GBP to actually drop, because very soon JPY will start rising. I would say JPY has bottom for now. Very soon JPY will start rising. So if JPY starts rising, of course, you should be expecting a fall or a drop on GBP to JPY. So be expecting it. Could it happen this week? Could it happen next week? Is it already happening? It is what we are going to cover in the Patreon channel. So if you're interested, you can subscribe to the Patreon channel. The link will be in the comment section. So let's take a look at what this market is actually doing us. We all know that before we actually take a trade, we would want to know the trend. Is either an uptrend move, a downtrend move, a rangy market move, or market that is an indecision market, right? With what we are seeing right here, right, you see that this market is kind of dropping, right, but at the same time it's kind of giving us like an indecision movement. So we should be very, very careful selling from here, because it has gotten, if you take a look at it, if you zoom it out, you see that this is an uptrending move. It is moving up, so it has now come to a major level, which is once the resistance level. You can see that price has actually been reacting from this level, which broke up out a bit, then eventually dropped down, then price came to the same level, serve as the resistance level, right, dropped. Now price has broken out of it. Now price has now dropped, come to the same level. So we should be very, very careful. I know many of you guys will say, okay, um, this is downtrend move, right? Many of you will be saying, okay, price is dropping. Okay, let me go ahead and sell. No, 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 that's not what you do. Because we have gotten to this resistance level, this major level. We are currently at a very major level, a very key level, whereby this GBP can actually push up. Now the thing is that, can this GBP actually drop from here? Absolutely yes, but with what I am seeing right now, I don't think so. I'll be expecting GBPJPY to push up a bit. That will even make sense, because we can see this trend. Price came to this level, it dropped. Came to this trend level, we saw it drop. Came to this trend level also, it dropped. So we have gotten a good amount of a drop. So common sense, or in the technical aspect, we should be expecting something like a movement to the upside to at least come to tap this level. So be very, very careful selling at this level. Like I will say it again, can this price drop from here? Absolutely yes. But with what I am seeing, it is not. I don't think it will drop from here. I would want to see it go bullish, come to tap this trend first. Maybe then we can break above it, or we might drop. We are going to give an update on the Patreon channel. So if you're interested, simple, the link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section.